Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, your reliable guide on getting rid of anything that bothers you. If it's your first time here, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button? Share the love, share the knowledge, right? Alright, let's dive in. Today, we're diving deep into the world of stretch marks. Yeah, you heard me, those pesky, stubborn little lines that love to make a grand appearance on our skin. But here's a plot twist. What if I told you there are ways to make them, well, pack their bags and leave? Yes, indeed. So, let's find out how to get rid of stretch marks. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, let's clear up what stretch marks are. Think of your skin as a stretchy piece of fabric. When it's stretched too quickly, it can cause little tears. These tears are what we see as stretch marks. They're completely natural and most of us get them. So, if you've got them, you're not alone, and it's perfectly normal. Now, onto the good stuff. How do we get rid of them? Well, according to the American Journal of Clinical Dermatology, there are a few scientifically backed methods to help reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Topical retinoid therapy. Basically, you apply a cream with retinoid, which is a compound related to vitamin A. It's known to boost collagen production, and collagen is like the glue that holds our skin together, so it can help repair those tears. But always remember, folks, if you're pregnant or nursing, better steer clear from this one. Microdermabrasion. This is a fancy word for using tiny crystals to exfoliate the top layer of your skin. It helps to promote new skin growth and lighten the appearance of stretch marks. Think of it like sanding a piece of wood to reveal the smoother layer beneath. Laser therapy. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's as real as it gets. Lasers are used to stimulate the skin under the stretch marks to promote healing and rejuvenation. The Journal of the European Academy of Dermatology and Venereology published a study about how effective it can be. Well, what if you're a bit more Earth Mother and want to take the natural route? Then don't worry, my friend, nature's got your back. And guess what? There's actually quite a lot of evidence to back up these natural remedies. Let's talk about aloe vera first. Now, this is not just for sunburns. Nope, aloe vera is like that multi-talented friend we all have. According to the Journal of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry, it's a natural healer, so slathering it onto your stretch marks could just be the ticket. Alright, what's next? Sugar scrubs. Yes, sugar's not only good for making life sweet, but it can also work wonders on your skin. It's a natural exfoliant, which means it can help smooth out those stretch marks. Just mix it with a skin-friendly oil, like coconut or almond, add a bit of lemon juice, and there you have it, your homemade scrub. Next on our list are essential oils. Now, you might think of them as just making your house smell like a spa, but some of them, like lavender and rose, are actually secret weapons against stretch marks. Remember to mix them with a carrier oil though, as they can be quite strong on their own. And always do a patch test first. Eggs aren't just for breakfast anymore, folks. Egg whites, being rich in protein, can give your skin a nice rejuvenating boost. Just whip up a couple, apply the froth to your stretch marks, and let them work their magic. Rinse off, moisturize, and you're good to go. A study conducted by the Skin Pharmacology and Physiology Journal in 2012 showed that using bitter almond oil can help prevent and reduce stretch marks. A simple daily massage with this oil can work wonders. Now let's chat about lemon juice. That little citrus fruit is not just for your tea. It's acidic, which means it can help lighten your stretch marks. Simply rub it onto your skin, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then rinse off. So there you have it. Mother Nature does provide, doesn't she? As always, remember to test these remedies on a small patch of skin first. We're all unique, and so is our skin. Don't also forget, hydrating from the inside is just as important. Drinking plenty of water can help keep your skin supple and more resistant to stretch marks. Think of your skin like a sponge. When it's dry, it's more prone to tearing, but when it's hydrated, it's more flexible. And lastly, maintaining a healthy weight can also help keep stretch marks at bay. Frequent and rapid weight changes can make the skin stretch and retract quickly, causing, you guessed it, more stretch marks. All right, folks, that's it for today. Remember, the journey to healthier skin is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent and give these methods time to work their magic. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and drop a comment below telling us about your experience with stretch marks. And if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and subscribe. Until next time, stay radiant.